First tonight, Kirby Farris, he's our host attorney, and he is with the law firm of Farris, Riley, and Pitt. He is here with some safety tips concerning traveler passenger vans. You know, those vans that a lot of folks rent for, you know, if you're carrying a load of kids or a family going to a destination. So what do we need to know about that?
Well, Tiffany, you know, those vans are used a lot this time of year for traveling to vacations, and then we're going to have football season after that. And let me tell you about a case that we recently had. Family traveling to Florida rented a van. Van had 3 fantastic, great, perfect tires on it. One terrible.
You need 4.
One terrible.
Okay.
Unfortunately, that tire failed on the interstate. Van flipped, and we had several injuries in that van. So because of that case, we decided to talk a little bit about this. You know, people use these vans in churches. They use these vans if they're coaching their kids in Little League, and they use them on family vacations. And you have to pay particular attention when you're driving one of these, especially if you're not used to it, because they handle differently, they brake differently, they're very top heavy. And here's a few things we want you to remember about driving these vans. Never overload them. They're rated for a certain amount of weight and a certain number of passengers. So never overload these vans. Drive with extra care. They brake differently, they handle differently. And please, please, as with every vehicle, always use your seat belts. If you have any more questions about this, where can they reach us, Tiffany?
They need to go to your website, frplegal.com. You can also go to myfoxsale.com and click on the Law Call tab. Plenty of information there.